Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Easy English Official.
In today's lesson, you'll practice a real English conversation about daily life. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their speaking, listening, and vocabulary.
Daily Life Conversation. Hi, Fabi. Good morning.
Good morning, Niga. It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. I had a good night's sleep, so I feel happy and full of energy.
That's wonderful. Today is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The weather is warm and sunny.
Sunny mornings always make me feel positive.
Me too. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 every morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. My phone alarm wakes me up every morning.
Mine too. I never miss it.
What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
That's a good routine. I brush my teeth first and then take a shower.
A morning shower helps me feel fresh.
I agree. It wakes me up completely.
After your shower, what do you do?
I get dressed and prepare breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. I also drink a cup of tea.
That sounds healthy. I usually have cereal with milk and a banana.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I usually drink orange juice.
I enjoy tea more than coffee.
Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
Mine too. It gives me energy.
What do you do after breakfast?
I leave home at about 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I ride my bicycle.
That's great. It is good exercise.
Yes, and I enjoy the fresh air.
I usually take the bus.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
My bike ride takes about 20 minutes.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Me too.
What do you usually do at work?
I answer emails, join meetings, and help customers.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy my job because I learn something new every day.
That's nice. I work with my team and create new designs.
Do you like working with your team?
Yes. Everyone is kind and helpful.
Good co-workers make work easier.
That's true.
Do you take short breaks during the day?
Yes. I usually have a short break in the morning.
I like to drink water and stretch my legs.
That's a good habit.
What time do you have lunch?
Around 12:30.
I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
What do you usually eat?
A sandwich, fruit, and yogurt.
I like rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
Do you eat with your coworkers?
Yes, we usually eat together and chat.
That must be fun.
It is. We laugh a lot.
After lunch, do you feel sleepy?
Sometimes,
Me too.
a short walk helps me stay awake.
I usually drink water and continue my work.
What time do you finish work?
Around 6 o'clock in the evening.
I finish at 5:30.
What do you usually do after work?
I like going for a walk in the park.
That's relaxing.
Yes. Fresh air makes me feel calm.
I usually go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's excellent. Exercise is important.
It helps me stay healthy.
After exercise, do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, if I'm tired, I order food.
I usually cook simple meals at home.
What's your favorite dinner?
I love grilled chicken with vegetables.
Mine is fried rice with vegetables.
Both sound tasty.
What do you do after dinner?
I spend some time with my family.
That's lovely.
We talk about our day and laugh together.
I usually watch YouTube or listen to music.
Do you study English every day?
Yes. I practice speaking and learn new words for about 30 minutes.
That's a great habit.
How do you practice English?
I watch English conversation videos and repeat the sentences.
Repeating aloud really helps.
Yes, it improves my pronunciation.
Practice makes progress.
Absolutely.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I enjoy shopping, watching movies, and visiting my parents.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like playing football with my friends and reading books.
Reading is a great hobby.
It helps me relax and learn new things.
Do you stay up late at night?
No, I usually go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
Getting enough sleep is very important.
Yes, a good night's sleep gives us energy for the next day.
You're right.
I really enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too. It was a great English practice.
Let's meet again tomorrow and practice more English.
That's a wonderful idea.
Have a great evening, Niga.
You too, Fabi. Take care.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I hope you enjoyed practicing this daily life English conversation with Niga and Fabi.
The best way to improve your English is to listen, repeat, and practice every day. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Like this video. Subscribe to Daily Easy English Official for more beginner English conversations every week.
thank you so much for watching.